Well, hello. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a wing update because last week's video I made some wings for a friend and I said at the end that with the extra fabric I was going to make myself a pair. So for this bonus episode this week, these are the wings that I ended up making for myself, and this time I went with a U-wire design because it is more stable and that's typically what I wear since I'm usually wearing a corset. I'm not wearing a corset with this outfit that we just did a quick little shoot for, but I did shove it in the back of the dress and underneath my bra and it's staying put pretty good. And I also made it 3 tiers instead of 2. Fun fact, the bottom tier, the shorter one, was actually my original design for the wings that I sketched after the design. I didn't like how short it was, so I made a second design, but I did like the way that it looked, so I kept it because I thought that it would be cool to try a 3-tier design just like I did with my pink wings. So yeah, I really love how these turned out. I didn't record the process because it was pretty much the same process as last week. So if you're wondering how I made these, I will link to that video in the description as well as my pink wings that I made from nylons. If you haven't seen those videos, if the algorithm brought you to this video first and you're wanting a little bit of context, then that will be in the description. Go ahead and watch those videos next, or I will pop them up on the screen. And I guess I will see you guys later this week for a review of the brand of the dress that I am currently wearing right now. All right, see you guys later. And Poppy also says goodbye. She's a very happy girl. She was a fairy. I need to make Poppy, I still have extra fabric by the way. I'm gonna make Poppy some wings.